Welcome everybody, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. And we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your switch error in Messenger. So if you did not know, you can enter your multiple Messenger account or like multiple Facebook account in a single Messenger in a single device and switch from it from side to side. So what this does is this allows you to switch into like your secondary account pretty easily, because if you have multiple Messenger account and if you had to switch each time and you had to enter your login detail every single time, then that process would have been long and you would be bored, like, oh my god, every single time I want to switch my Messenger, I have to enter my login detail, I have to log out again, I need to enter my other login detail. What this would do is this would make the process longer. But if you use the switch account feature which is provided by Messenger, it's going to be easy. And you guys are facing this problem and you're not able to switch account, so watch the video until the end. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide with notification on. Let's move on. First step, make sure to update your Messenger to the latest version. And after updating your Messenger, then click on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you come over here, scroll a bit down and click on versus switch account. Once you click on switch account, I have already added my secondary accounts over here. That's why it's being shown over here. But if you're not able to switch account, then the reason could be that you have not added a secondary account. So to add a secondary account, you want to click on add account button. After you click on add account button, you need to enter your phone number or email, passport, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, your secondary account is going to be added over here and it's going to be shown over here just like this. Now to switch into another account, you need to just click on the name of the other account, wait for some time, and then enter the password of your account, and you should be easily able to switch accounts just like this. But even after adding a secondary account, you're not able to switch, and even after updating your Messenger account, you're still not able to switch. What you can do is hold on your Messenger, click on app info. Once you do that, wait for some time and click on storage usage and click on clear data. Click on clear. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of Messenger, and you have to log in into your account again and add another secondary account again. But once you complete this process, your switching account should work. If it still doesn't work, just delete your Messenger, reinstall it again, and it is guaranteed to work. So that's how you guys can fix your switch account error in Messenger. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.